Hey, most welcome back to day 3 or tutorial number 3 in creating a to-do list with Django and MongoDB. Thank you so much. So today we shall start from how we left off from, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Ronnie Altaire, aka Afroboytex, and I'm glad that you chose this particular channel for this video. So let's get started. So as you can see, I'm actually in my folder of to do. The project we started something back, and now we're going to, in a continuation, we're going to be building, and today we shall actually look at one major thing, and that is admin, creating an admin or super user. So the reason why I'm choosing this first is because we need to use this this module or this plugin that comes actually automatically by default with Django. Everything is taken care of, the admin, so you just have to create a super user and that's it. So I'll just highlight here. There's a short command I usually do to say directly into my project folder, my root folder. So I just say cmd, then I say py manage.py run server. So if you run this, as you can see, we still have 18 unapplied migrations. So actually to remove these migrations, it is very simple. So let's first check if actually our project is running, to be sure that we still have our project running. Actually I've started something here of the sort. Maybe let me create another one. Okay, let me just close this, paste it here. Yeah, so it still works. That's very nice. So first close out this, first stop it. To stop it, you just have to hit Control C, or that's Windows, or Control FN, that's function, and C for the different types of Windows. This is, I'm actually using Windows 10. So to apply migrations, you just say py manage.py migrate. So as you can see, migrations have been applied. So we run again our server and see if we get anything else of what sort. Yes, so now we are working clean. So I explained why we need to run migrations in the previous video. Please check it out, the link is in the description. Thank you so much. So what you're going to do is now to create an admin. So if you are, before I quit this server, actually if I come and I just do stroke admin here in my Django application and still running, what's wrong? Is it still on? Yes, it's on. Just refresh this. I don't know, it's taking long. Let me see. Okay, let me first stop this. Let me first stop this server from running. Let me run it again. Yes, so it now works. So basically this is because I have created many Django projects using different names. That's why you can see all these names here, and this one will not work in these other projects that I've created. They will not work actually. That's why you need to create a new super user for this particular project. So every particular project you're making, it has a super user, an admin for. So that's why you can see all these ones are saved, the saved passwords for the different projects I've done in Django. So to do that, you just have to stop the server first, then you say py manage.py create super user. It should be one word, I guess. Super user. So if you run that, it says username. So if you want to leave the username, just use the default that is actually it's me. You can leave that to run out here, but I'm going to call this particular username admin to do. Then I hit enter, so it asks me for email address. If I don't want to put in specify email address, I can leave it blank. So here you can put in your email address, or you can leave it blank. My particular video, I'm going to leave it blank, so I will hit enter. Password is very key, you can't leave it blank. So password, I'm going to create one. So I'm going to create to do. Actually, let me say okay. So when I'm creating the password, it doesn't show. So my user created successfully. So if we revisit, if we run actually our server, it runs again. We come back to here and we say to do, we called it to do admin, then a password I created, and log in. The correct username and password. Okay, I put it wrongly. Something wrong. Is this what I created in the first place? Just a second. Email address is username is admin to do. Admin is dash admin to do. Okay, I'm just doing it in reverse. Is admin to do. Then the password is yes. Note that it can disturb you if you try to put password that's actually the same, or which is related to Django or your username. It will keep asking you for a better password. That's why I can't accept mine in the first place. So let's see if this works. Yes, it worked. Yes, that's it. As you can see, an admin by default it has privileges to see groups, to group users, to create users. As you can see, I can create another user here. Actually, I can add a user. Can add someone else to maybe to be able to sign in here, and then maybe if you go back to our home, these are the default by now. The current Django comes by this by default. As you can see, there are actions, recent actions. If we created something, then here you can say visit site. It just redirects you to the site. You can actually change the password if you logged in, or you can log out. So this is basic, and you can actually also alter this to look or or you can change this to your own need or to your own beautification. So that's it for today. Just tune in for the next one. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.